Hi guys! Today I'm going to show you how to make Turkish traditional lentil soup. It's quite an easy soup to make and it is also very filling. Firstly, I would like to explain what lentil soup is. It is really important in Turkish culture. This lentil soup is known by its health benefit as it is mostly used as a starter before the main dish. In saying that, this is also known as a remedy soup for minor illnesses due to a high level of protein, iron and potassium, which strengthens your immune system. Okay, if you are ready, let's start making our soup. For this soup, you will need the following ingredients: 1 cup of red lentils, 2 onions, garlic, 2 carrots, 2 potatoes and olive oil. Firstly, we need to wash red lentils in a bowl with warm water as we need to rinse out all the starch. As you can see, water almost clean. We will strain it with this strainer. Okay, this is all we need. Okay, let's start preparing our veggies. Firstly, I'm going to cut all my veggies into cubes. I chopped up all the veggies and we can start cooking now. In a deep pot like this, place 2 tablespoons olive oil with the veggies. Okay. We need to stir this continuously until they are sauteed, but be careful here as we don't want them to get golden brown. This process usually takes 4-5 minutes. This smells so lovely. This reminds me of my childhood when my mom made this soup for us. This is actually familiar favorite soup in every household in Turkey. Okay, at this stage we can add pinch of salt and pepper to taste. Our soup almost ready, but there is one more thing we need to do. As you can see, our veggies and lentil are softened, but we want a smooth finish. And what we need to do, we need to blend it with the hand blender and we will get creamy and silky soup. Okay, let's blend it now. Okay guys, as you can see, soup is creamy and silky. It looks gorgeous and it's ready to serve. Okay, I will put some in a bowl. Now, as it is ready for me to taste. As you can see, guys, it's very creamy and silky. Looks gorgeous. I personally like to squeeze a few drops of lemon and chili oil to make that extra taste. To make it even better, I will add some croutons and extra chili. And now, there we go, our soup is ready. This is my favorite soup. Chili. Yum. Thank you for watching me, guys. If you haven't subscribed me yet, please subscribe me now. See you in the next video. Bye bye.